National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northwest of Silverton to 14 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Seagort Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Fork River, La Valette, Barnegat Light, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Seaside Park, Manasquan Inlet, Pine Beach, and Harvey Cedars. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers this evening, then